Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jordan here, back with another video today. We have an unboxing video, as you guys can see right there in the back. So I got two pairs of these guys, not in this box. This is one pair. The other pair comes in tomorrow, so you guys will see this video tomorrow because I'll get the other pair, do both unboxings in the same video. But right here, we got this box, but we're gonna go ahead and crack these guys open. These are my size, but I am selling them locally for $220. But I feel like I'm not going to want to sell them after I see them in person, like right now. But I'm going to sell them anyway, and maybe get myself a pair some point down the road, like during the summer, because I'd much rather have money right now. So, got the receipt right there. As you guys can see, right there, size 11. Go ahead, slide these guys out of the box, toss the box in the back. Man, it's been a while since I've gotten a new pair of Jordan 1s. Last time I got a pair of Jordan 1s was the Pine Greens. Those released, what, month and a half ago, and you guys know the story, I got scammed. It is what it is. I'm not getting scammed on these pairs that I'm selling, though. That's for sure. Not gonna let that happen again. I'm gonna have my guard up a lot more if I'm selling online when it's not through like eBay or anything like that. But obviously, you guys, these are the Court Purple Jordan 1s. Like I said, this pair is my size 11. I still don't like that they raised retail to $170 because usually with Jordan 1s it would be like $172 after tax, but this pair was $183 and change, and because it was free shipping. And the 9.5 pair that I'm getting in the mail tomorrow was like $194 or something. Yeah, it was like $194 or $193 and change, just because of the shipping and like just tax or more on Foot Locker. But go ahead, get into these. So I'm excited to see them. Go ahead, peel them back. Those are heat. I knew it. I knew my opinion. Once I saw them in person, I'm gonna want to keep them. Yeah, these are clean. They're cold because they're just outside. Court Purple Jordan 1s. My God. Why'd I have to get my size for? Oh, with the light purple laces? I didn't even know they came with... Is there white... Oh, they didn't give me white laces? Damn. Damn, they didn't give me white laces. I thought they came with white laces. Maybe not. But they do come with the light purple laces. But these definitely fire. Like I said, they are my size, but I'm gonna have to let these go. Yeah, these are super clean. They look nice. The quality, I love the purple. The purple's really nice. The quality looks good on them. The leather feels good. Just like, I don't really see anything wrong with them either. Like, there's just like that little black spot right there. There's a little mark back here, but other than that, the shoe looks good. This side looks good too. I don't really see anything on this side. There's like a little mark back there, but it's like nothing serious. And then like, but yeah, the shoe is really clean. Are they better than the original Court Purples? No, I don't think so. But just purple on Jordan 1s look good, and it's a different colorway. We usually get the same black and red colorways over and over and over again, but this Court Purple colorway is nice. And anyway, that's it for the first half of the unboxing. Hope you guys all enjoyed, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Peace.
The next day.
Alright guys, so I got my second package in. It was actually 2 days. It was supposed to come here yesterday, and just shipping got delayed for whatever reason. So I got it in today. So you guys already know what it is, so no introduction. We're just gonna go ahead and crack these guys open, take a look at them, and we're gonna get up out of here. So go ahead, open these guys up. And the first pair I got of these, the Court Purples, they're already gone and sold. I don't have them anymore. I sold them yesterday, so I got them on Wednesday. Got them in on Wednesday. Tossed the box in the back. So I got them in on Wednesday, sold them yesterday for $220. So I made almost $40 profit on them. I paid $183, sold them for $220. So like $36 profit roughly. And change, obviously, it's like 40 cent change or whatever. Now we got this pair in, if you guys can see, size 9.5 right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at these. You already know what the deal is. Another pair of Court Purple ones. Go ahead, take them out of the box. If I could get them out of the box. And here they are. Obviously, you guys already know what's going on. These actually weren't that hard to cop compared to past releases. Like, well, I mean, for the Pine Greens, I didn't even go for them online. Because I was already at the mall. If the mall wasn't closed because of this whole COVID-19 thing, I probably would have been at the mall copying instead of online. Or I might have tried both, I don't really know. But this is the size 9.5 pair. Again, these are for sale as well. These are definitely not my size. The other pair was my size, but again, like I said, just would rather have the money. But another up close of those right there. Again, nice thumbnail. Perfect. Yeah, they're clean. Definitely wish I was able to get a pair for myself too, but it's whatever. I'll probably get a pair some point down the road. They're not too expensive right now. I'm selling them for the $220 range, so it's not too bad for this nice colorway of Jordan 1s. But anyway, guys, that is going to wrap up this video. Court Purple Jordan 1s, were you guys able to cop? Let me know down in the description below. I always say description. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys were able to cop these. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys all enjoy. Check out my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, resale page, and clothing brand page. Everything will be in the description below. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace.